In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upgrade your Cursor AI account step by step. If you're currently using the free plan and you want access to more features, higher limits, or a better overall workflow, this guide will walk you through the full process from start to finish. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tech tutorial like this one. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open your browser and go to the Cursor AI website. Once the website loads, you'll want to sign in with the account that you already use for Cursor. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you have multiple emails or multiple developer accounts. After you sign in, look for the dashboard. This is where you'll find your account options, plan details, and upgrade settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, find and click the Upgrade to Pro option. This is the section that will take you to the paid plan setup. Cursor will usually show you the benefits of upgrading, so take a moment to review what's included before continuing. If everything looks good and you're ready to move forward, go ahead and select the upgrade option. Next, you'll be asked to fill in your payment details. This may include your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing information. Double check everything carefully before submitting, because even a small mistake can cause the payment to fail. If you're using a saved payment method, make sure it's the one you actually want to use for the subscription. After entering your payment information, review the plan one more time and then complete the payment. Once the payment goes through successfully, the final step is to click subscribe. This confirms your upgrade and activates your Cursor AI Pro plan. In most cases, your account will update right away and you should be able to access the new features immediately. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded your Cursor AI account to Pro. From here, you can start using the extra tools and premium features that come with the subscription. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with someone else who's trying to upgrade their Cursor account too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.